Hi, these topical talks gonna show you how to hide your likes count on Facebook. So as you can see right now, I'm on my Facebook, and if I scroll down, here we can see someone post, and here we can see these post likes counts, and also this post like counts showing up here. So if you want to hide likes count on your post or on someone's else post, here's how to do it. I will show you the process for computer and mobile. First of all, let's hide likes on mobile. Tap on menu, tap on the settings icon at the top right, and here tap on reaction preferences. And here you will find this section hide number of reactions. If you turn on this first option, then you won't see the total number of reactions for post others share to news feed, pages and groups. And if you turn on this second option, then other people won't see the total number of reactions under post you share to your profile. And now I'm going to my news feed and reloading my news feed. And now if I scroll down, as you can see, these photo like counts hide now. So now on, I won't be able to see someone post likes count. And the same way, anyone won't be able to see my post likes count. This is how we can do it on mobile. Now let's see the process on computer. On your computer browser, open Facebook and click on your profile photo. Click on settings and privacy. Settings. Scroll down to this left-hand menu. Under preferences, click on reaction preferences. And now just enable these two options to hide Facebook like counts. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.